Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type a cube symbol in Excel. So guys, if you need to insert a degree symbol in Excel, so just follow some easy steps. Firstly, open Excel. Now enter your number. Now click on search. Type here character map. Now select this cube or degree symbol. Then copy it and paste here like this. And also guys, you can select shortcut. You can use shortcut Alt plus 0178 like this. So make sure turn on number lock and press Alt plus 0178 and leave it. Thanks for watching. This is the way you can type a cube symbol in Excel. Please share, like and subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching.